Welcome to ScratchStart. Today we are going to continue the previous video's problem, the task. In the previous video, we have styled until the navigation bar, the hero section, and the buttons, and the whole hero section inside the box and everything. So now we are going to do the next section. The next section is the feature section. So now we are going to do the feature section. For the feature section, we have the classes, features, feature grid, and the feature for each feature. So now let's start. For the feature section, with the class features, with a padding of 120 pixel and 8%. Give it a text align as center. Next, in the feature section of all the H2 elements, we will have margin bottom of 40 pixels. We will have font size at 2 rem. So in this, the AI writing, tone control, rewrite tool, grammar fix, the CEO tools, CEO suggestions, team collaborations, each of this heading is each separate cards. We need to create it like a grid. So for the feature grid, give it a displays as a grid. Give it a grid template column as repeat 3 columns for one row. Give it a gap of 30 pixels. Give it a margin top as 40 pixels. Let's see, it is aligned, it is arranged now. So now for each feature, with a background of 111, give it a padding of 30 pixels, give it a border radius as 12 pixels. So give it a border at 1 pixel solid border with color code 222. Then give it a transition of 0.3 seconds. Now a box will be formed around each of this grid. See. Next, for each feature, give it a hover effect. For the hover effect, transform each into Y direction at -6 pixels, and also give it a border color as 333. Then in each feature for H3 elements, give it a margin bottom as 10 pixels. Let's see now. See, it is arranged, it is hovering, and it is also hovering. So we styled it. Next, for the templates, each templates. Now for each templates, let's see, we finished the features. Next is templates. This templates, blog post, LinkedIn, everything. So let's style that. For templates, give it a class templates, give it a padding of 120 pixel and 8%, give it a text align as center. In all the templates with the text H2, give it a margin bottom as 12 pixels and give it a font size as 2. Let's see how it transforms. Margin is not sufficient. We will increase it even furthermore for 40 pixel. So next, this is also the same thing like we did it here. It will, the elements, the contents will also be in grid here. So for the templates, for the template grid, give it a display of flex. No, sorry, I told just now told a grid, and then the grid template columns as repeat for 3 times in one row and give it a gap of 25 pixels and give the margin top as 40 pixels. See the each is formed, each grid is formed, and then for each grid we need to give the box around it. So give it a background as 111, give it a padding of 25 pixels and then give it a border radius at 10 pixels, give it a border of 1 pixel solid with the color code 222 and give it a transition of 0.3 seconds, and then for each template give it a hover effect, make it transform, translate it into y direction for -4 pixels and give it a border color as some 333. Let's see, the box will be formed and the hover effect is also active. The next section is this testimonial section. For this testimonial section, we will start the styling. The classes here are testimonials grid and each testimonial. So for the even testimonials, we are doing the same grid style of display. So in testimonial section, give it a task classes testimonials, give each a padding of 120 pixel at 8% and give it a text align to center. In each testimonials has 2 elements, give it a margin bottom as 40 pixels and give it a font size at 2. For the testimonial grid, give it a display sizes grid, give it a grid template columns for repeat 3 times in one row. For each grid, give it a gap of 30 pixels and margin top, give it a 40 pixel space. And then for each testimonial, give it a background of color 111, give it a padding color of 25 pixels, give it a border radius as 10 pixels, then give it a border as 1 pixel solid border with color 222. Then for each testimonial, you need the hover effect. Sorry, I made a mistake. See, each tag testimonial grid have the span elements, so we need to add the span elements, not the hover. I made a mistake. Give it a span. For each span, give it a display of block type and give it a margin top of from 15 pixels. Give it a text color as 888. Let's see. See, it is greater. The grid is greater. Next is the pricing section. So the pricing section has pricing grid, the price card and other things. So let's style that now. For the pricing section, for the pricing class, give it a padding of 120 pixel and 8%. Give it a text align to center. Next, all the pricing with the H2, give it a font size 2rem and give it a margin bottom of 40 pixels. Next, for the pricing grid, give it a display type as grid. Give for grid template column, make it repeat for 3 times in one row. For each, give it a gap of 30 pixels and a margin top of 40 pixels. For the each price card, give it a background at 111, give it a padding of 40 pixels and give it a border radius at 14 pixels. Give it a border of 1 pixel solid at 222 color. Give it a position of relative. Give a transition value as 0.3 seconds. So it is found. Now for each price card, give a hover effect of transform, translate in y direction for -6 pixel distance. So then we have to fix the price now. For the price, give it a font size of 2rem, give it a margin of 20 pixels and 0, give it a font weight at 700 because we need to make it bold, and then for the price before, when it is, give it a content as price. When I gave price, it appeared the numbers, some numbers here, 79 per month, 29 per month, 999 per month. So how did this come? Here for the price, I gave the variable, like a global variable kind of thing here, style, I gave it here. So this thing is printed there. This thing just inherited there, that's all. There's nothing so tough hard here. And then for the price card unordered list, because it is an unordered list here, so unordered list, give the list style at none, give it a margin bottom as 25 pixels. For the price card, all the list elements, give it a margin bottom of 10 pixels and color as AAA. And then for the popular pack, what is a popular pack here? Here the Pro is the popular pack, so that must be already selected. So in the popular, give it a border of 2 pixel solid border with the color as 7B61 and FF. See, it is already pre-selected. So next is the click to action button. This click to action button, this section. For the CTA section, with the class CTA, give it a padding of 120 pixel, 8%, give it a text align at center, give it a background of linear gradient to 135 degrees, and the colors as 7B61FF and as 00E5 and FF. See this form. Next we have the text here, and the CTA with the text H2, give it a font size as 2.5 give it a margin bottom is 25 pixels. Next is the footer section. That's all. It is the final section. This is footer section. For the footer section, give it a padding of 40 pixels. Give it a text align of center. Give it a background color as 080808. Give the text color as 666. See. Next, footer section. Oh, I haven't given any class in footer section. So let's take this dot. Let's see now. See, the footer is formed now. Next, we have to make this page responsive. I have said this in previous videos too. A good web design should be responsive. Responsive means it should be able to adapt to different screen sizes. So we have to make it adapt now. So now, to make it responsive, use the media. Give it a maximum screen width at 900 pixels. For hero buttons, give it a flex direction as columns. For features grid, give grid template columns at 1F4. For template grid, give grid template columns at again 1F4. Then for the testimonials grid, the same. Testimonial grid. And then for the pricing grid, the same again. So that's all. Let's see. See, it is changed now. When we expand, it is changing. See, it is changed. So this is the final CSS HTML CSS video. After this, where I'm shifting to, like, I'm progressing to the JavaScript. We will see the JavaScript daily. I think I will be planning it. I will need some time to plan it, to create tasks and how to do it, and preparing for all of those things. So I need some time, and so I have a plan to make it. When I say I will write JavaScript, practice JavaScript, it doesn't mean that I will be practicing only JavaScript. Like it won't be much effective, because it will be mostly used in web design and other things. So when it is used with HTML and CSS, it will be understood easily, like the basic variables and other basic operations, the mathematical symbols, everything is the same, like same thing in all the programming languages. So it won't make a much difference. So I will be starting straight from the DOM. That is the core of the JavaScript. So I will include that by doing the various projects too, websites too, like from simple to some complex. I will I will categorically make it. So that's how we're going to progress next. So I will see you guys in the next JavaScript thing, and yeah, have a nice day, and give us subscribe if you like the work, and I will see you guys in the next series JavaScript. So thank you, have a nice day.